Day 22 of Adaptive Code is here, so let's see if ChatGPT can solve it. I will take the problem description as usual and ask it, please solve the following problem. The file is attached. So there's the input file. I'll attach my input and let's see what we get. So this is the result and it is correct. So the first part was very easy for ChatGPT. Let's see the second one. Okay, so it's already doing its thing. $2077. Oh, that doesn't seem like it. Interesting. That is not correct. But pretty surprising. It seemed like this could be a doable problem for ChatGPT, so maybe just got something wrong. No, still wrong. Okay. Well, in the meantime, we can try to do it once more, because this seems like it could be doable, just not working so far. So I will take the same description. Let's see a second instance if it has more luck. So first let's solve the first part. You can see the randomness in the output. The code is different this time, but overall has the same approach, so that's good. And now let's try the second part of the input. So it's still struggling here. Okay, let's ask it. So this one is processing that this one. Okay, it ended up with the right result now. So it fixed the result somehow. And apparently it found the right approach. Interesting. Okay, maybe this is the one that fixed it. I think the previous approaches, it was not checking the right way, but now it's doing the right thing. And it's actually, the sequence was correct, but the total was incorrect. So yeah, interesting that it took this, it took a while to figure it out correctly, but in the end it did. Let's see if this one also figures out so the right solution as well. Okay, so it ended up with 2077, which is the one that previously this one has also got. So it seems there is something that's leading the AI into the wrong direction, and then it figures out the solution and actually runs it correctly. So yeah, good. Well, we ended up with the right result, even though on the second try. And it was a relatively successful day for ChatGPT, even though it took 2 tries. So yeah, we solved both parts this way, and we will see if it continues for the next 3 days for the conclusion of Advent of Code. So see you in the next video.